Hey you guys, it's Tootie. Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm just going to be showing you guys my red iguana hand. I'm just going to be messing around with it. I bought this a while ago and I never really got to use it because I just could not figure out how to get the nails in it. So today I'm just going to show you guys it and I'm just going to be messing around with it. So hope you guys enjoy this video. And if you guys have this, comment below and let me know some tips that you can share that will help me be able to get my nails on there better, or what nails have you bought into that work better than others. And yeah, all right guys, let's get into it. All right guys, so I have these press-on nails or whatever. I got their coffin shape. I got these a while ago to do the nail art display thing or whatever. I'm gonna check these out. These ones don't seem to work that good though because they're so, I tried these too, I think. Ooh, look at that. I love these. These are cute. I'm gonna mess around with this one. Hold on. Take these out. And this one's pretty stuck on there though. This was the only one that stayed last time. Let's see. So yeah, same thing, but I wonder if I can I just want to press it down enough so I could keep it down. I'm gonna try to glue this one. They said hold it for like, what does it say? Because I know you're supposed to use Gorilla Glue. Yeah. So it says use Gorilla Glue Gel, which is what I use for my rhinestones. Or any other strong glue in your country. We also recommend using a primer. Okay, let it dry for 10 seconds. Apply a little bit of glue on the fake nail at the cuticle zone. Move it to cuticle 45-degree angle and then hold for 30 to 60 seconds. So I'm gonna try the primer thing. I don't even think I read that last time. I'm gonna give that a shot. Let's see, let me find some primer here. I'm gonna just go ahead and use this primer I have here. I'm gonna just drain it a little. Let's see. Ooh, got a little string on it or something. Okay, you can see this one is super rough. Throw it off. I'll let that dry for a minute. I'll just test one nail out. See if I can get it to work this time, because I had tried it and then it didn't work out for me like I expected it to, so then I kind of like gave up on it. So it's just been sitting for like a long time. So I put my glue on or whatever. I'm gonna go ahead and try and push this down. So I'm gonna hold it for 30 to 60 seconds. So I'll be back in 30 seconds. So, all right, so there's like an air, I don't know, you can see there's like an air pocket. I'm gonna try to press it down a little bit. I wonder whose hand this is. Somebody obviously had to put their hand in there. Anyway. So let's see. I don't want to start, I don't want to mess it up, but it's just not staying. Like, I don't know if it's just these nails. Like I said, they're too curved. There's too much of a curve in them. Or if I didn't put enough glue, but I don't want to put too much where it oozes. So it's not even really touching the nail bed. But, no, it's not strong. It shouldn't do that. I might, see, it's already dry. Like, I don't know if you can see. Like, I should probably add some more. I'll go ahead and add a little more. I'm gonna add some extra this time. Anyways, give me some tips, guys. That way I can use my hand. Alright, I did put the, see, I put the primer on there. I don't know how deep we need to put this in though. Well, I think I'm gonna just go as far as I can get it. So I put some extra glue. It's definitely oozing out the back. That's how much I put. Let me see, can you see that? Let me focus. Like, it's definitely oozing out the back. But I definitely love that shape. Super cute. Well, hope this dries. Like, look. I knew I put too much. Look. Stuck to me now. Like, guys, I'm gonna just have to order some more tips in this one, because I think this one would work better. Like, it's like a little more flatter. There's not that much of a curve to it. I'm gonna try to just get these in natural and then try this again. But anyway, you guys, I'm gonna go ahead and let you go. I'm gonna try to keep messing around with this. Hopefully I get it together, and if I do, you'll see me do some nails on these. But anywho, I hope you guys like this video. Comment below if you have this hand to give me some tips on how to get these nails to stay in this this iguana, red iguana hand. I love the idea of it. I thought it was super cool to be able to practice nail art and stuff. But the problem I'm having right now is I'm stuck on both ends. Like, anyway, all right, you guys, I'll see you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching. Bye.